we have started the festival to a themed dinner as the monsoon reason because we have planned in the open air restaurant. Firstly, I want to tell what we have offering to our renowned guest, starting from the welcome drinks, the starters, the main course, and the desserts. We have a lavish spread for the guest from the starters as well as the main course and for the sweet tooth. We also include the live counters, which we have paratha counter, the dal counter, the chaat counter, and the falonga counter. We have different packages for the guest, starting from 699, which is an unlimited buffet, and 999, which is an unlimited buffet plus unlimited Indian beverage, and 1299, which is an unlimited buffet plus Indian made foreign liquor. Now I'm going to show you the Swagat Pan, what is the welcome drink we are serving to the guest. Then followed with the dessert counter, what we have here, the specialty desserts of the Lucknow, which we have spread over here. Then we have the starter counters, multi-choice of veg and non-veg items, which we have spread. Then we have a chaat counter. The chaat counter for the sweet tooth, we have malpua as the dessert, as a live counter. Then we have a Lucknowi dal counter. Then we have the paratha and the kulcha point over there. So which we especially do for our renowned guests, so that the guest actually enjoys the food in a much more better way than the normal day-to-day food which he has. The Lucknowi food is especially a Shahi food what we serve. It's made of full richness and cream and cashew where the food is come from. Then we have the salad counter spread over here, followed with all the accompaniments like curd, raita, and then we have a counter called a soup counter with Indian breads and Indian soup, especially the Lucknow shorbas. Then we have the main courses followed with the veg as well as the non-veg. Then we have a counter called a Bijrang counter where we have the staples like sada chawal, the tairi, and the biryani, Lucknowi parda biryani, what we call. So then you have the accompaniments for the breads. Then with the vegetarian main courses, which is actually a lavish spread for the guest to actually enjoy the Lucknowi meal. So where the guest actually has the feel of having the food in the Lucknow. So there I'm here to show you the entire thing.